Residents of Terrace, British Columbia, Canada woke recently at 7:30 a.m. to strange, loud, grinding and whining noises that lasted 10 minutes. Why would anybody shut that noise up already? Thank you. Why would anybody get upset over that sound, though? It's barely noticeable. Kimberly Wookey was one of 3 people who recorded and uploaded videos of the sound to YouTube. While this wasn't the first time she heard the odd noises, it was the first time she was able to record them.
Luckily, my camera had a little bit of charge on it and some space so that I could store the video on it. And I just pointed it out the window there and shot that video.
Yeah, we get it, Kimberly. After her video post, Wookey received messages from other residents across the province that also heard the noise and were wondering what caused it. There are reports of similar sounds from around the world with explanations varying. Wookey told CBC News,
Well, I have heard that it could be skyquakes, it could be something from the Earth's core, it could be something magnetic, like the magnetic fields around Earth. I really have no clue.
The Geological Survey of Canada's Hon Cow confirmed that the noise was not from any regional seismic activity. Biologists discounted ideas that the noise came from an animal. Despite other theories that the wailing came from a train, residents insisted that it did not come from the nearby tracks. Strange sounds in a town that a Wookiee lives in. Right? Wookiee, strange noises, right? See where I'm going? You see it. You're with me. Star Wars. After all the speculation, Elisa Thompson, City of Terrace spokesperson, offered an explanation, saying the mysterious noise came from the hockey arena parking lot, where a city worker was sharpening the blade of a grater. To spread the word, the City of Terrace posted the information on their Facebook page, reading in part, "Turns out it was us. A city employee was preparing a grater for some work on Lamphere Hill and produced that mysterious noise with the grater blade." Wookey isn't buying it, Mac.
I've heard graters before, and I've heard trains before, and that sound was nothing like that.
Wookey is not alone in her doubt. Others who heard the strange noise in Terrace have been vocal, commenting on the city's post that they just don't believe Terrace's explanation. Thompson said that the city would work to replicate the sound with the grater to set conspiracy theories to rest. And I'm being told we have an interview with the mayor of Terrace. No, that was a video of a dog playing the piano. I'm not very good at this.